Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something truly special to talk about, a health drink designed to make your golden years even brighter. That's right, we're discussing the ultimate health drink for old age. So, sit back, relax, and let's dive right in. The aging process. Before we get to the drink, let's briefly touch upon the aging process. Aging is a natural part of life, but it doesn't mean we have to compromise on our health and vitality. There are ways to embrace the golden years with open arms. Introduction to the health drink. And that brings us to our secret weapon, the ultimate health drink for old age. Holds up the drink packed with essential nutrients and goodness. This drink is specially crafted to enhance your well-being as you age gracefully. Nutritional Breakdown. Now, let's break down what makes this health drink so special. It's enriched with vitamins like B12 for energy, D3 for strong bones, and antioxidants to boost your immune system. Plus, it's low in sugar, making it perfect for maintaining healthy blood sugar levels. Real-life testimonials. But don't just take our word for it. Let's hear from some of the people who've incorporated this health drink into their daily routine. Mr. Johnson, I've never felt more energetic in my life since I started drinking this. Mr. Jari, it's like a daily dose of vitality. I can't imagine my mornings without it. How to incorporate? Incorporating this health drink into your daily routine is a breeze. You can enjoy it as a morning pick-me-up, blend it into a smoothie, or even mix it with your favorite beverage. Expert opinions. We consulted with leading health experts who all agree that this health drink is a game changer for seniors. It's designed to address the unique nutritional needs of older adults. Order now. Ready to take the first step towards a healthier and more vibrant you? Holds up the drink, don't wait any longer. Remember, it's never too late to invest in your health and well-being. Subscribe to our channel for more tips and insights on leading a fulfilling life in your golden years. Cheers to aging gracefully. Thank you for joining us today on this journey to better health in your golden years. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and until next time, stay healthy, stay happy.